Hello.
Good morning.
Good evening.
Oh, yeah, good evening.
For you, good morning. For me,
Oh,
good evening.
yeah.
How are you, Shahina? Did you sleep well?
I guess I woke up not well.
All right. Did you eat your breakfast?
No. Like, I'm not hungry, so
Are you sure?
yeah.
Okay. So, Shahina, if you are ready, let's start. First, let's start with your test. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Why? Actually, when we practice together, you do very well, but your test is not good. Why? What may be the reason? What do you think?
I don't know.
How come you don't know? You are the one who is doing the test, right?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? So you're not sure you did the test or not?
Wait, what? Can you repeat that?
So you are not sure that you did the test or not, is it?
No, I did the test, but I don't know, like, if I, why do I, do better on that or, oh,
But you got 33, Shahina. Let's just have a look, okay? But we are going to solve them one by one.
okay.
Let me also open both. There's 4 and there's 4 copy.
Oh, yeah. I didn't understand B.
Okay. Let's just one. You can see the screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Question 1. A round of the number. Correct a certain decimal places. Okay, maybe you understand. But significant figures, we did a few examples about significant figures. One more time, let's just do this. Okay. Significant, you know that it means important. Okay. Simply, the significant figures means starting from the first non-zero digits. Okay, starting from the first non-zero digits. Here it says 2, just take 2 digits and round off. As you see here, we have, for example, 0.
I know how to do it, but like I wasn't sure how to do it from using those numbers.
Say again?
I know how to I know like what two significant figures mean. I know how to do it. Like I didn't understand like how I should be doing that with 0.09038. Like those numbers are a bit tricky. I'm not sure. I
Okay,
just didn't understand it.
good. Because here it says the significant figures. Let me just write the number. Now you'll understand. 0.09038, right? So what is the first non-zero digit here, Shahina?
9.
9, right? So this is the first non-zero digit. Now starting from here, significant means just keep 2 digits. And the rest we have to round off. So that's equal to, I just is 0.09, right? And to write this digit, we have to check this number, right? Is it greater than 4 or not? As you see here, it's less than 5. So we don't have to add 1 to the previous digit, right? So it's just 0.090. And these are the significant digits for us. For example, how about this one? 5.3352, Shahina. Can you write this correct to, for example, 2 significant figures? What will be the answer? What is the first non-zero digit? It is 5, right?
5, yeah.
Okay, so from starting from here, take 2 digits. And after 3, as you see, this one is less than 5. So we don't have to add to the previous digit. So that's equal to 5.3.
Okay, yeah.
And another question for you, Shahan. Okay, how about this number? How would you write this? 4972. Correct to 2 significant figures. What is it?
That is 50 or 5.0.
No, it's a not decimal number, right? So the first non-zero digit is 4. Keep this number and the rest round off. So this one is greater than 4, right? So I have to add 1 to this. So 49 plus 1, it will be 50. All these numbers should be rounded off. So that means it is 0, 0. It is 5,000.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
Oh, okay.
So if I tell you, for example, let's say today, the exact population of Uzbekistan, let's say this 33,576,102, for example. And usually population, we don't write like this, right? If I ask you, can you write the population of Uzbekistan correct to 2 significant figures? What will be the answer? Tell me.
Okay, so 30,
Median, right? Because this one is 2 digits. Okay, this one is greater than 4. So I should just write 4 and just change all digits into zeros. 1, 2, 3.
okay.
1, 2, 3. What is
Oh,
it?
so
It is 34 median.
So you just change the rest of the numbers to 0.
Yeah, before the decimal point.
Okay.
Actually, even after the decimal point also we change into zeros, but we don't have to write the zeros.
Okay.
Now, how about the same number, Shahina, this number? Can you write this correct to 3 significant figures?
Okay, that would be...
So 3 significant figures, we should just take these 3 digits,
30.
right? 335.
So that's
So
30.
this one is greater than 4. So this 3, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh yeah, I understand now.
That is 33,600,000 people.
Okay.
Good. Did you understand? That is significant figure and decimal number. Because sometimes we use significant figure, like especially when we talk about the population of countries, population of towns, and some big numbers. All right.
Okay.
Okay, that is correct. Shahina, this question too, you just wrote the answer. Where is your work?
Oh,
But as a cover page, I said, show all your work. If you do not show your work, it's not accepted because I should know how you did how you got the results.
It was on a scratch paper, but let me...
No, you should, Shahina, no need, but next time when I give you the test, you need to show everything here. Not everything, but at least you need to show sufficient work so that verifies your answer, okay? If you just write only the result, it will not be accepted because I want to show, I want to see how you're doing this thing, okay? So last time we did a lot of examples. If you remember how we did this, first remove the brackets. We have nothing here, just x minus 3y plus 4z. So continue. What should I write here now?
Minus, wait, minus x.
Minus x, okay.
Minus y.
Y minus. Minus.
Oh, plus y.
It is plus. Don't make such mistake again. Plus,
oh, yeah, plus y. And minus 2z.
Minus or plus? Y. Minus times minus. What is it?
Oh, I forgot about that. Oh, okay, and that's
So,
plus.
since we have minus in
Plus.
front of the parentheses, right, we need to change everything into the
Okay.
opposite sign. If it is plus,
Okay.
becomes minus. Minus, it is plus. Minus, so it is plus 2z. Now let's simplify. What is x minus x?
Minus x, 0.
0. Minus 3y plus y.
Minus 2y.
Very good. Minus 2y. And 4z plus 2z.
4z plus 6z.
Plus 6z. And what is your answer?
Oh.
Your
Oh, I
answer is
see.
2y minus 2z. And that's why you need to show your word like this. At least first remove the brackets, then simplify.
Oh, I subtracted 4z with 2z, so I think that's how I got it.
Okay, but that means, Shahana, you need to a bit practice a little bit more questions. You know, once you work very hard, after maybe a few weeks, if you be patient, it will be easy for you. But now it's like, how so you are getting used to these things. You need to just write it down again and again and again. Solve as many questions as possible, so your eyes get used to it. Okay, Shahina, this one I didn't understand. Why did you write a lot of stuff here?
I don't. So the top part I think was my answer, and the bottom part was like how I was solving it.
I
I'm
didn't
not
understand
sure.
here. This thing is so messy. What you have to do here is, starting from here, let's use green. Okay, we are solving here, for example, B. Okay, what you have to do here is, what is it? Remove the brackets, right? 1 over 2 times x. So here we have, Shahina, let me just do this here. Okay, we have more space. After all, we are just doing it to learn. Let me do it here. So equals, Shahina, remove the brackets. Tell me, what should I write here?
1 over 2x
Okay,
minus 1 over 2y
okay.
plus 1 over 3 2. Wait, that's 7 over 3x.
7 over 3? What is 1 over 3 times 2? 1 over 3 times 2. What is it?
Wait. Oh, wait, is it 2 over 3?
2 over 3. Because 2 means here we have 1.
Oh.
1 times 2. 2, 3 times 1, 3. So it is
Oh, because
2 over 3. What is it? X.
I
Next.
think I did 2 times 3. Minus
Minus
5. That is 5 over 3y
5 over 3y. Okay.
minus 6 over 5x.
6 over 5. X.
Um, is that plus? I think, is it plus?
So you are not sure. Shahina, what is minus times minus?
Oh, that's plus.
So why are you still so doubtful? You're not sure. It's minus times minus, it is plus.
Plus.
Look here, minus minus, it is plus. What is 1 over 5 times 5?
That's 5. That's 1y or y.
Just 1. Just y. So here we have y.
Y. Okay.
Right?
Uh-huh.
Equals, continue. Now we will simplify. Here we have x, here we have x. So we can just keep x out. What we have here? 1 over 2, 1 over 2, plus 2 over 3, plus 2 over 3. And here we have x, right? And second one is, here we have y, here we have y. Take this y out. So here we have plus, what we have here? Minus 1 over 2. Here we have minus 5 over 3y. And what is left here? Oh, here we have one more. Okay, okay, Shahina, we have one more x, right? I didn't see this. Okay, let's just write this again. Okay. So first like terms, right? Here we have x, here we have x, here we have x, right? Let me just write here. If you remember, Shahina, a times x plus b times x plus c times x. What is the common factor here?
X.
Here we have x, here we have x, here we have x. X is a common factor, right? So we can write it as a plus b plus c times x. Is that right?
Wait.
Here we have a times x plus b times x plus c times x. So x multiplied, x multiplied, x multiplied. And how do you call this x? It's a common factor. If you just take this out, here we have x, right? This one is x. So here we have a plus b plus c. So if you expand this, a times x, here we have ax plus b times x, bx plus c times x, cx. Is it the same thing?
Okay. Yeah,
So here, if you look at this, here we have x, here we have x, here we have x. I'm just taking out this x. So what is left here? 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3. And what is left here? Minus 6 over 5, right? Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, here we have minus 6 over 5. Now I write here x. Plus the same thing. Can you do for y? Shahina, tell me. Look at the y's. Here we have y, here we have y, here we have y. So inside the bracket, what should I write here?
1 over 2.
1 over 2 or minus 1 over 2?
Minus 1 over 2.
Here we have minus. I already put plus. That's why it is minus 1 over 2. Okay?
Minus 5 over 3.
Minus 5 over 3. Just if you remove this, what's left here? This number, right? Minus 5 over 3. Then?
And the parentheses and the y.
Now, how about this one? How about this? We have one more y.
But don't we like put, because I thought that we put that towards the end. Because
no, Shahina, you are scaring me. Come on. Here we have y, 1. Here we have y. Here we have y. Are they same?
Yeah.
So if you take y out, y is a common factor. What is a here? Minus 1 over 2. What is b? B is minus 5 over 3. What is c here? It is 1, Shahina. It is 1. 1 y.
1.
That's why you need to eat breakfast first, Shahina.
Okay.
So it is plus 1. So here we have y.
Oh, because I thought like since that one is also y, I thought like we just put it at the end. But okay, now I understand it.
Okay, if you understand, next question is, Shahina, for you. What should we do next? Simplify, right? So now we have to simplify these fractions. We need to simplify this. We need to simplify this. Okay, number 1. Let me just write here, then we'll just write the answer. 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3 minus 6 over 5. Tell me, how do we simplify this? How do we evaluate these fractions?
We find like a common
denominator. What is the common denominator?
It is, let's see.
30, right? Because 5 times 3, all are prime numbers. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. So the common denominator is just 2 times 3 times 5. So here we draw a fraction. Common denominator is 30.
30.
Here, first number, what should I write here?
15 over 30. 15.
15, okay. Plus, how about here?
10.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay,
wait,
what is
no.
2 times 10, right? Okay, 10, we should
20,
multiply by
20.
10. 2 times 10 is 20,
20.
right?
And
Right.
minus, yeah.
And here?
Minus 36.
Equals. Okay, simplify. Here we have 30. What is the numerator?
10 plus 20, that is 35. 35 minus 36, that's negative 1.
Negative 1. So the whole thing is equal to negative 1 over 30. So I just write here the first part, negative 1 over 30 x. So now we need to simplify this part, right? Okay. Here we have negative half minus 5 over 3 plus 1. What is the common denominator?
6.
6. Okay. Tell me a bit faster. What should I write here?
3.
Minus 3. Because minus 1,
3,
right? Minus 3.
Plus.
Plus or minus?
Well,
It is minus here,
that's
right?
minus.
It is minus.
Okay, that's negative. Okay. That's minus 10.
Okay.
Plus 6.
Plus 6. Okay, here we have 6. Simplify the numerator.
3 minus 10, that is 7 plus 6. 13 over 6.
What is the numerator, Shahina? Minus 3 minus 10 plus 6. What is it?
13.
How come?
Oh, wait, that's wrong. Oh, wait, no, I messed up. Okay. Negative 3. 13 plus 6, that's... Oh, wait, so that's negative 7.
Oh, Alhamdulillah, Allah. Thank you very much. That is minus 7, Shahina.
Yeah, because I thought the minus was like adding it, like going that way. So
Yeah, I think the reason is now you are hungry, I think. That's why, if possible, you need to wake up a bit early, or I don't know, you should change the time. If you eat a little bit, you don't think about your breakfast. Now your brain is thinking about your breakfast.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Shahina, so we have simplified. It is minus 7 over 6. So the whole thing is equal to minus 7 over 6. Here we have plus times minus. It is minus. So here we have minus 7 over 6 y. Now look at your answer. Do we have such answer here? Where is it? I cannot see anything. So you need to do like this, Shahina. We are doing a lot of examples, similar examples. You should not make mistake anymore. Continue. A very easy question, Shahina. We did a lot. Why still you couldn't do these questions? Look at your solutions. Minus 11. How did you get minus 11?
Wait, what? Minus?
Is it minus 11? Is your answer minus 11?
Let me read. Okay, so it's minus 3.
Okay, x equals 1. 1 times y. What is y? Negative 3. First, you have the substitute, Shahina. You need to show your work. And minus 3 times, what is z? Z equals 4. Okay, 4 times k. K equals negative 1. Here we have negative 1. Plus 2 times, what is x? X equals 1. Now simplify. 1 times negative 3, it is negative 3. 3 times 4, 12, minus plus. So here we have plus 12. 2 times 1, it is 2. Plus 2. Right? What is minus 3 plus 12?
Plus 12, that is 9.
9. 9 plus 2?
11.
11. And what is your answer?
Oh, I was
Minus
gonna do
11. I don't know
11.
where to get this minus 11.
I think I mistakenly wrote that.
Yeah, last time we did a lot of practice. Still, you make that mistake, Shahina. We did a lot of examples, right? Because minus 3, your mistake. That's why, Shahina, here, not to get confused, actually you should have written one more step here. Like if you simplify, you wouldn't make that mistake. Minus 3 here. Minus, minus, it is plus 12. And here we have plus 2. Equals minus 3 plus 12. It is 9 plus 2. That's equal to 11.
Yeah, okay.
Your substitution is correct, but your calculation is wrong.
Yeah.
How about next? Okay, I need this thing. Equals y. What is y? Minus 3. Minus 3. Shahina, next time when you're doing test, use blue pen, okay?
Okay.
But what is it? Did you use pencil here?
Yeah.
That's why I cannot see. You know, some solutions I cannot see. So use blue pen, okay?
Okay.
So I can see better. So minus 3. Open parenthesis here. Here we have 2. Okay, 2 times z. What is z? It is 4. So 4 minus 3 times k. What is k? Negative 1 times x. What is x? 1. Even 1, in the first step, you have to write everything, Shahina. I can see actually you are substituting correctly here. Minus x times z. What is x? It is 1 times, what is z? Z equals 4. So now we will simplify this. Negative 3. 2 times 4?
8.
8. Negative 3 times negative 1?
That is 3.
Plus 3. Minus 1 times 4, minus 4. Minus 3 times 8 plus 3?
11.
11. 11 minus 4?
7.
7. Here we have times 7. Now what is minus 3 times 7?
Negative 21.
Negative 21. What is your answer?
Wait, why did I write negative 31? I am so confused.
Because you didn't do step by step. I cannot see your solution here. Okay, after you substitute this, you need to simplify one by one.
Okay.
Okay.
I will do that in the next.
Good. At least 80% correct, but the answer is wrong.
Okay.
How about this? 3x. Okay, what is x? Let me just write here. X equals 1. Okay, let me just. All right. 3x. So here we have 3 times x. That's 1. Minus 4 times z. What is z? 4. Over 4 times y. What is y? Minus 3. Minus 5 times k. What is k? Minus 1. Shahina, simplify the numerator. 3 times 1?
3.
Okay. First write it, okay? 4 times 4?
16.
16. Over 4 times negative 3?
Negative 12.
Negative 12. Negative 5 times negative 1?
5.
Plus 5. Okay, one more step. What is 3 minus 16?
That is negative 13.
Very good. Negative 13. Over negative 12 plus 5?
7.
Shahina, which one is greater? This negative 12
Negative
plus
7.
7.
Negative 7.
Negative 7.
Negative 7.
You have to practice this thing, you know. Still, you are not sure.
Yeah,
And
isn't that what I wrote?
negative over negative, it is plus. So that is 13 over 7. But your answer is minus 13 over 7.
Oh, I think I just left it like that. Like negative 13 and negative 7. I did it like positive. Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Good. All right, next. You remember these values? 1, minus 3, 4, minus 1. Okay, here, let's substitute here, equals 4 times, what is K? K
Negative
is
1.
minus 1. Okay, it is negative 1 over 3 times x1 minus, what is y? Y is minus 3. Minus 3. And plus z. What is z? Z equals 4. Okay. Here is equal to 4. 4 times negative 1.
Negative 4.
Negative 4. And 3 minus minus plus, right? So here we have 3 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to, here we have negative 4. 3 plus 3?
6.
6 plus 4?
10.
So it is 10.
Oh.
But here, actually, you need to write one more step. Here, minus minus is plus, Shahina. You see that?
I messed that part. So I probably thought like
if you subtract any number from itself is equal to 0. If you subtract minus 3, for example, minus 3, subtract from minus 3, it is equal to 0. But if you subtract 3 minus minus 3, these two numbers are different. This is negative 3, this one is positive 3. So that's equal to 6. Small mistakes, but you should be just a bit careful. As you see here, you need to write one more step, then evaluate this. At the time, you wouldn't make these mistakes. Okay, let's continue. And this one, I couldn't see anything. Can you read the question first?
Yeah. David cycles X kilometers in 3 hours. If he maintains the same average speed, how far can he cycle in 12 minutes?
Okay.
Let me find the page.
Yeah, this kind of question, Shahina, you should do step by step. The first step, as you see here, we are talking about time distance, right? First, write the formula. What is the distance? Distance equals average speed times time. So now the first part, David cycles X kilometers in 3 hours. If you substitute here we have X kilometers in 3 hours, S times 3. So from here, we can find S, right? Now what is his speed? X over 3, right? Divide both sides by 3. Now second step, it says that if he maintains the same average speed, okay, his speed is this, how far can he cycle in 12 minutes? So now again, we will use D equals S times time. So the distance will be speed. It says that if he maintains the same speed, so he's using this speed, right? What is X? I mean, S, X over 3 times. How about time? It says 12 minutes. So time is 12 minutes, right? So what should I write here, Sahin? Just write 12
I guess. I wrote 3x divided by 12y.
Okay, here it says minutes, but here it is hours, right? So we should change minutes into hours. So 12 minutes. How many hours?
0.12
No, 12y over
over
60 hours, right?
Uh-huh.
We're changing minute into hour, we have to divide. Converting hour into minutes, we should multiply by 60. So now if you simplify this, it is 12. 12 times 5, that is y over 5 hours. So we will substitute here. Then what is time? It is y over 5 hours, which is equal to, that is 1 over 15 x, y kilometers.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, question B. Can you read the question?
Question B. Yeah. A water pump can fill a tank at the rate of 750 liters per hour. A tank has a capacity of 9,000 liters. Find the time needed to fill the
Find the
7
time. This is missing.
find the time that needed to fill 7 over 15 of the tank.
Okay, you did a lot of calculation. Let's just do it here. We have more space. Did you understand the question, Shahina?
Yes. Like, I understood what I should do, but I wasn't sure about my answer.
Okay, we are talking about a kind of tank, right? Here we have a big tank. Okay. Okay, that's our tank. And here there's a tap, right? You just open the tap. It says that the rate is 750 liters per hour. So let me just write, rate equals 750 liters per hour. If you just open this and look at your watch, right? In 1 hour, the amount of water in the container will be 750 liters. It means this. So a tank has a capacity of 9,000 liters. So need to write here, what is the capacity? That is V, that's volume, that's equal to 9,000 liters. Okay, that's a huge thing. It says that find the time needed to fill 7/15 of the tank. Okay, so every hour it is pouring this much water, right? In how many hours it will fill this much of the container? That is the first step. That means that assume that after T hours, okay, the water will be 7/15 of the tank will be full. Okay, so that means that after T hours, what is 7/15 of the water? This much water will be, right, in the container, 9,000 liters. So to do this one, every hour, the tap is pouring 750 liters of water. How about in T hours? It will be 750 times T. It's like distance and the speed and time. This one is rate means speed, and this one is time. Volume is the distance. It's very similar. So now we have to simplify this. If you simplify 7 times, what is 9,000? It is 15 times 6,000, 600. 600, right? Over, here we have 15. On the right hand side, 750 T. This 15, 15, they cancel each other, right? And they divide both sides by 750, we will get T. T equals 7 times 600 over 750. So this 0, 0 cancels each other. And divide by 5, divide by 5, it is 12. Divide by 5, it is 15. Or I can just change it. What is it? Actually, it is hours, right? Hours, hours, hours. Okay. So what is it? And again, we can simplify this. 7 times 4, divide by 3, divide by 3, it is 5. What is 7 times 4? 28. over
8
5.
over 5.
So that's equal to 5.6 hours.
Oh, I forgot to put the decimal there. Okay.
Can you write this in minutes, Shahina? 5.6 hours. How many hours and how many minutes?
That will be
0.6 hours. How many minutes?
how many minutes? That's 100. No, 336.
How come, Shahina?
Wait, no.
0.6. 1 hour, how many minutes?
60.
60, right? 60 minutes. And what is 0.6 times 60? 36.
Oh.
So it takes
Okay,
5
yeah.
hours and 36 minutes.
Okay. I think I did it in a longer way, like where I found how many hours it took to fill the tank.
Yeah, you did a lot of stuff, but how you did this 750, you divided by this, and after this, yeah, this method is not so rigorous methods, okay? Because here we are learning algebra. You should try to solve everything in algebraic way, because later we are going to solve more complicated problems. At the time, without using algebra, we cannot solve those problems.
Yeah.
So we are preparing actually ourselves for the future. Shahina, anyway, have some rest, drink something, eat something, okay? After 11 minutes, we will continue, all right?
Okay.